Player 1 Blaster Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. All right. Make sure that went 5 times. Yes, it did. And we've got Josh in the top spot. And we got Josh in the bottom spot. Awesome. By the way, Josh, thanks for that shout out on Twitter last night. I appreciate it. All right. So there's our list all cut and pasted against our alphabetical player list. And I'm just going to cut and paste it over to the right, sort by everybody's names, and we'll scroll through our list briefly and then tear into our box and see what we get. Hey, Johnny, how are you doing? Hey, Scott, how are you doing this evening? Johnny, I've got an Inception random player listed in our eBay store, and I've got a tier 1. I've got a random team break listed in our on our website, and we're going to do that next Saturday. And then there's a random player break that's listed in our eBay store, and I'm not sure when we're going to do that yet. We've still got a ton of spots left in it, so I don't have a date on that. But actually, I've got random team on the website and random player on that in the eBay store. And I would assume that I probably just run the random player once on eBay, and then I may run it on the website later. We're getting ready to kind of scale back our eBay store quite a bit and put a little bit more focus on the website. Hey, Richard, how are you doing this evening? I forgot I needed to switch it back over. Give me just 1 second. There we go. But Johnny, we'll probably do quite a few tier 1 breaks. We usually end up doing 5 or 6 of those, whether it be random player or random team. The random teams usually fill up somewhat quick, so I end up rerunning that one quite a bit. No problem, Johnny. Thanks for asking. Thanks for breaking with us this week. The more, the merrier. So that terribly ferocious bark that you hear in the background is my mother-in-law's teeny tiny long-haired chihuahua whose name is Pixie, but I refer to her as Paw Patrol because she barks at everything, and I mean everything. I'm assuming there was a bird that was flying in front of our front door just now, and she's out there barking at it. So you may or may not hear her bark throughout the live stream this evening because my mother-in-law took a trip out of town this weekend and we were babysitting her dog, aka Paw Patrol. The best part about that is when you try to put a leash on her or something like that, she'll try to bite you. She has no teeth. She's 13. So it's quite comical. Alrighty. Now that we have been through our list, let's tear into this and see what we get. They finally came out with the mega boxes. I think there was about a 2 or 3 week delay from when they came out with the blasters. So I have a couple of those, and we'll be doing one of those next week. That 6-pack did not want to come out. There's the theft deterrent. All right, there are our 6 packs. Pack number 1. Hey, David. No, I only broke 1 box of this year's because honestly, I absolutely hated the design, and I just didn't want to open it. I opened 1 box and even regretted opening that. Darrell Taylor rookie. I opened a ton of 18, probably opened 7 or 8 boxes. And then I opened, I don't know, 4 or 5 19 boxes. I'm hoping next year they'll go back to the white background. Our next card is a Keyshawn Vaughn silver rookie. Not too bad there. And then our next card is an Amari Cooper blue die cut prism. Oh, that's awesome, Richard. I feel like I need to send you all of my extra packs. I feel like you have much better luck than I do getting stuff. That's awesome. So you got one of the refractors. Serial number to 572. Very cool. And then our last card in the pack is Isaiah Simmons, rookie. Pack number 2. First card is James Conner. Next card is Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie. Well, it's certainly nice to get a card of a team that you are a fan of. Something for the PC, so to speak. We have a Tony Gonzalez Unbreakable. Insert. And then our last card in the pack is Braden Cooks. Pack number 3. Yeah, those massive booklets are always pretty crazy in Luminaries. Aaron Rodgers. And then we have a orange die-cut prism of Phillip Rivers. And then we have a blue prism die cut of Tom Brady. How about that? How about that? Not too bad. Little Tom Brady. And then our last card in the pack is a John Hightower IV rookie. Pack number 4. Something good on the back there. Something not too shabby on the front. Little Zach Moss rookie. And then we have a Chase Claypool field level view or field level rookie. And then we have a Jerry Jeudy 96 Select Certified Throwback insert. My favorite in the product, even though they do not show up well on the camera. I just like them utilizing the 96 design. I'm sure Rob had something to do with that. Very nice. And then our last card in the pack, Joe Burrow rookie. How about that? Pack number 5. First card is a Damon Arnett rookie. Then our next card, oh, how about that? A little Jalen Hurts. Then we have a blue prism die cut of Jerry Rice. And then our last card in the pack is a Cam Akers rookie. Last pack. Khalil Mack. Then we have a Odell Beckham Jr. orange die cut prism. Then we have a Drew Brees turbocharged insert. And then our last card is Adam Thielen. Alrighty. Now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. We'll start with our inserts. First one is our Drew Brees turbocharged. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And the next is our Jerry Jeudy 1996 Retro. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. And then our last insert is Tony Gonzalez Unbreakable. And that goes to Pablo as well. Doubling up. Congrats on that. So next we'll go through our stack of rookie cards. First is our Cam Akers Premier Level rookie. And that goes to Tom. Congrats on that, Tom. And then next is our Jalen Hurts rookie. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is our Damon Arnett rookie. And that goes to Todd. Congrats on that, Todd. And then next is our Chase Claypool field level rookie. And that goes to Doc. Congrats on that, Doc. And then next is our Zach Moss rookie. And that goes to Josh. Congrats on that. And then next is our John Hightower Premier Level rookie. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is our Isaiah Simmons Club Level rookie. And that goes to Fred as well. Congrats on that. And then next is our Clyde Edwards-Helaire rookie. And that goes to Mike. Congrats on that, Mike. And then next is our Darrell Taylor rookie. And that goes to Alexander W. Congrats on that. And then our last base rookie is our Joe Burrow Club Level rookie. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. So next, we will go through our parallels. We've got 2 orange die cut prisms, 3 blue die cut prisms, and our silver prism. So first, our orange die cut prism of Philip Rivers goes to Michael. Congrats on that. And then our Odell Beckham Jr. orange die cut prism goes to Tom. Congrats on that, Tom. And then our Amari Cooper blue die cut prism goes to Pablo with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is our Jerry Rice die cut blue prism. And that goes to Tom. Building the stack. Congrats on that. And then finally, our Tom Brady blue die cut prism goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. Very nice. And then our last card is our Keyshawn Vaughn field level silver rookie. And that goes to Pablo as well. Congrats on that. Well, all righty. That concludes our 2020 Select Football Random Player 1 Blaster Box break number 3. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, I appreciate y'all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back here in about 5 minutes with our 2021 Prism Basketball Blaster break. Thanks again, everybody.